What's up guys, this is Dana from Russ's Ocean State Harley-Davidson here in Warwick, Rhode Island. I'm out here today with this 2020 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special in Billiard Burgundy. It's a beautiful color, especially on this bike. This is like, it's a nice dark color that kind of goes with the the blacked out engine. Milwaukee 114 6-speed cruise drive tranny, all blacked out exhaust, got the stretch bags. It's got the fender insert in the back. Oh, these are all the one-touch Rushmore bags. You can see down in there, there's the shock adjuster. So it's actually the dial. You take this bag off to get to your shock adjustment. No more air shocks. It's got a place to put your device. All right, it's got Boombox GTS infotainment system. Has the ability to hook up to your phone, both Apple CarPlay and the Google equivalent. This bike does have the RDRS, so that includes anti-lock brakes, cornering anti-lock brakes, traction control, cornering traction control. Has a hill hold function, so if you're on a hill, you squeeze on the front brake. The grip will pulse one time, or the control lever will pulse one time, and then when you release it, the bike won't roll backwards. It also has a really cool feature of, press the button here and look right at the odometer. Front tire pressure, rear tire pressure. So the tire pressure monitoring system is part of RDRS, and as part of that you get, it's gonna be hard to see because underneath, but you also get these cool 90-degree valve stems. It's a pretty sweet bike overall, guys. I really like this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it so you can hear it go. Beautiful, super classy color on this bike. So coming down Ocean State Harley-Davidson, see our full current inventory online at oceanstatehd.com. Appreciate you watching, guys. Hope everyone was doing well. And you can give us a call over here at 401-781-6866 as well. And we'll talk to y'all real soon. Enjoy this beautiful weather.